There may be days when you are out there in nature and you do not feel well. Then there is a lot of going on within yourself. Maybe there are some thoughts and emotions you need to heal so that you can let go of them. Might rises when you are out there in nature and you do not feel well. Just stay in nature. Nature helps you to heal. Heal your thoughts, heal your emotions, heal your body. Just through spending time in nature, everything happens by itself. Allow yourself to spend some time in nature, and then nature will take care of you. I have experienced it myself. I was in a hurry because there were so much things going on, and I thought, I have to go home soon, I have to finish this and that. And I just stayed in nature. I just stayed there. More and more I could relax and feel calm again. And suddenly, out of nothing, solutions for problems I had popped out of the amazing beauty of nature. Nature has the power to heal yourself emotionally, concerning your mind, and also your body. Allow nature to heal yourself. Spend time there, and you will feel better. See you soon.